Hey everyone, welcome back! It's great to see you all again. Today we're diving into my 25 biggest cooking mistakes. Yes, you heard that right. 25 epic fails in the kitchen. Instead of perfect dishes, we're exploring culinary chaos and disasters. From burnt food to collapsed cakes, I've seen it all. My goal? Help you avoid these pitfalls and maybe get a laugh. Cooking should be fun, even when things go wrong. So grab a snack and let's dive into this journey of delicious disasters. Trust me, you'll want something to munch on while you watch. Ready to see my culinary sins? Let's get started. Get your aprons on, and let's learn from my mistakes together. Mistake number 1, not reading the recipe through. You see a picture, start cooking, and then bam, marinate for 6 hours. It's like building furniture without instructions, chaos, and a wobbly result. Pro tip, always read the entire recipe, twice if needed. Mistake number 2, overcrowding the pan. Instead of a golden brown sear, you end up steaming your food. Give your food space to breathe. Cook in batches for better taste and texture. Lesson learned. Space and patience make all the difference. Mistake number 3, ignoring knife skills. Uneven chunks lead to uneven cooking. Invest in a good knife and learn basic cuts for better texture and appearance. Consistent cuts mean even cooking and appetizing dishes. Solution: practice basic cuts. Your fingers and food will thank you. Mistake number 4, not tasting as I go. Seasoning is an art and science. Tasting allows you to adjust and balance flavors. Game changer: taste, taste, taste. Perfectly seasoned food awaits. Mistake number 5, opening the oven door too early. It's a common temptation, but it can ruin your bake. Whoosh! Heat escapes, and your bake collapses. The sudden drop in temperature can cause your delicate creations to deflate. Baking relies on consistent heat. Maintaining a steady temperature is crucial for the perfect rise in texture. Trust your oven and timer. They are designed to help you achieve the best results. Patience. Use the oven window and aroma to guide you. The sight and smell of your bake can tell you a lot. Trust the process and the timer. They are your best friends in the kitchen. Seriously, resist the urge to peek. It might be hard, but it's worth it. Let your bakes rise to glory. The reward of a perfectly risen bake is worth the wait. Mistake number 6, substituting ingredients blindly. Ingredients have specific roles. Understand why an ingredient is there before swapping it. Rule of thumb: research substitutions to avoid culinary disasters. Mistake number 7, overmixing batter. It leads to tough cakes and rubbery muffins. Mix until just combined. Lumps are okay, gentle hand. Stop mixing when you no longer see flour streaks. Your tender bakes will thank you. Mistake number 8, not sharpening knives. This is a common oversight that can lead to a lot of frustration in the kitchen. A dull knife is not just an inconvenience, it's actually dangerous. When your knife is dull, it requires more force to cut through food. More pressure means less control and more risk of the knife slipping and causing an injury. This can turn a simple meal prep into a hazardous task. On the other hand, a sharp knife makes prep work not only faster, but also significantly safer. It glides through food with ease, giving you clean cuts every time. To keep your knives in top condition, invest in a good whetstone or a honing steel. These tools are essential for maintaining a sharp edge. Regular sharpening is key. Make it a habit to sharpen your knives regularly, not just when they become noticeably dull. For anyone serious about cooking, keeping your knives sharp is non-negotiable. It's a fundamental aspect of kitchen safety and efficiency. So keep your fingers safe and your cuts clean by ensuring your knives are always sharp. Your cooking experience will be much more enjoyable and safe. Mistake number 9, cooking on too high heat. It leads to burnt outsides and raw insides. Control your temperature for better results. Temperature control. Adjust heat as needed. It's the difference between beautifully cooked and burnt. Mistake number 10, not preheating the pan. Cold oil leads to greasy, uneven cooking. Hot start? Preheat your pan, then add oil. It takes an extra minute, but the results are worth it. Mistake number 11, oversalting. It can ruin a dish. Taste, taste, taste. You can always add more salt, season in layers, and factor in salty ingredients. Don't be an idiot sandwich with the salt. Mistake number 12, not letting meat rest. Juices pour out, leaving dry meat. Resting allows juices to redistribute for tenderness. For steaks, rest 5-10 minutes. Larger roasts, 15-20 minutes. Tent with foil to keep warm. Patience is a virtue. Let meat rest for juicy perfection. Don't skip it. Enjoy tender, flavorful meat. Mistake number 13, washing cast iron with soap. It strips seasoning. Use hot water and a stiff brush for cleaning. Only water. Treat cast iron right, and it'll last a lifetime. Mistake number 14, using the wrong tools. It leads to frustration and ruined food. Tool up. Invest in basic, good quality kitchen tools. They make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Mistake number 15, not scraping down the bowl. It leads to inconsistent results. Scrape, 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 ensure even mixing. It's a tiny step that makes a big difference. Don't be lazy. Mistake number 16, incorrectly measuring flour. It leads to dense, dry bakes. Fluff and spoon fluff flour, spoon into the cup, and level off. Accurate measuring improves baking tenfold. Mistake number 17, using cold butter eggs when room temp is required. It affects texture. Plan ahead. Take out dairy and eggs ahead of time. Quick tricks can help if you forget. Don't let cold ingredients sabotage your baking. Mistake number 18, opening the dishwasher too early. It leads to wet dishes and steam burns. Vent first. Let it cool before opening. Your face and dishes will thank you. Mistake number 19, not drying greens properly. It leads to soggy salads. Spin it. A salad spinner is a game changer. Dry greens make salads magnificent. Mistake number 20, underestimating cooking times. It leads to undercooked food. Trust the process and use a food thermometer. Recipes are guidelines. Use your senses. Trust the process. Good food takes time. Don't let impatience lead to disaster. Be patient and thorough. Ensure perfectly cooked results. Mistake number 21, forgetting to set a timer. It leads to burnt food. Timer is your friend. Use it. It saves heartache. Set it and forget it for better results. Mistake number 22, not cleaning as you go. It leads to chaos. Stay tidy. Clean as you go for a stress-free kitchen. It keeps you organized and reduces stress. Enjoy your meal without a mess looming. Mistake number 23, using a dull peeler. It leads to frustration and waste. Sharp is safe. Keep peelers and tools sharp. A good peeler makes prep quick and easy. Mistake number 24, forgetting an ingredient. It affects the final dish. Double check. Read the recipe and check prepped items. Avoid that DOH moment with a simple safeguard. Mistake number 25, not trusting my gut. Recipes are guidelines, not dictators. Cook with confidence. Experience builds intuition. Trust your senses and make adjustments. Cooking becomes creative and joyful. Phew! 25 mistakes later and I'm still cooking. Cooking is a journey, not a destination. Learn, experiment, and grow with each mistake. Share your biggest cooking mistakes in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. Happy cooking, and try not to burn down the kitchen.